Okay, so here we go again. If you're looking for a midday pick-me-up, it is the RYZE Mushroom Matcha. Yes, it has the 6 adaptogenic mushrooms in it, as well as the ceremonial grade matcha. Your girl definitely drinks this around about, I would say, in between 12 and 2 every single day. Gives me that pick me up, and it doesn't mess with my tummy. So let's get into it. This is how I make it. Cutting down on my sugars, so I do use vanilla almond milk sweetened, then I do another half of the vanilla almond milk unsweetened. But if you still need a little bit of sweetness to it, after you add 2 of those spoonfuls, go ahead and grab yourself some monk fruit sweetener. It is a sugar replacement. It actually is very good. Here are the details behind there, and there you go. Don't forget your Ceylon cinnamon, y'all. Make sure it's Ceylon cinnamon for those benefits there. And if you are interested in purchasing this, make sure you grab yourself a bag. Use the code RYZE and SHINE when you order manually. Do not sign up on the subscription so that you can reuse that code each time.